Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, share and comment, and also turn on your notification bell to be notified any day, anytime a new video is being uploaded. And to my returning subscribers, I so much appreciate. Today's video, I'll be showing you how I prepare this delicious, simple jollof rice without tomatoes. So guys, stay tuned and let me introduce you to the list of ingredients needed for this recipe. So to begin, we have red bell pepper, onions and habanero pepper, curry powder, thyme, rosemary, season cube and salt. I'm using combination of two oil, coconut oil and vegetable oil, ginger and garlic paste, nutmeg powder and crayfish, 3 cups of rice. Here I have my homemade coconut milk, but this is totally optional, okay? So next I'll be using grilled mackerel fish and my tiny fish. Yeah, that's my so okay, so next we have our red bell pepper properly cleaned. So I went ahead to blend it roughly, so you can as well blend yours smooth depending on how you prefer yours, okay? Now we are done with the red bell pepper, set it aside. In a preheated pot or pan, add in the coconut oil and vegetable oil and allow to heat up. Now the oil is all heating up, I added some salt, ginger and garlic paste, stir. I added the chopped onions and stir. Fry for like 2 minutes so the leaves is sent into the oil. Once that is done, I added some herbs, that's the rosemary and the thyme, and fry for some minutes, okay? But this is totally optional. After some minutes now, I added the roughly blended red bell pepper, stir to combine. Yeah, and keep frying until it reduces in quantity and the oil flow to the top of the sauce. Please keep an eye on it so it doesn't get burnt, okay? Whatever it might be, it's always a solution. Keep stirring and frying, okay? So while we are waiting for the sauce, go ahead and pour the rice into a bowl, add some salt, then add in your boiled water, stir until it is well combined, cover the rice for at least 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, give it a properly wash until the water runs clear. Once that is done, set the rice aside. Next, it is time to debone the fish. As you can see, I am deboning the fish. Once I'm done, I will set the fish aside. Yeah, that's the grilled mackerel fish, okay? Now the mackerel fish is ready, set aside. So next, I poured the tiny fish that my crayfish into a bowl. Add some hot water to it, cover and set aside. After that, give it a properly wash and once done, set it aside. Now we are checking on the sauce. Yeah, as you can see, it is ready. Season it up with some nutmeg powder, Now add in the seasoning cubes, some curry powder and stir. Some crayfish adjust to your taste, so for the rest we're going to be using it later. Yeah, so I added in my habanero pepper, adjust to your taste. Now it is time to add in the washed rice. One stone, give it a stir until it is well combined, at least for 2 minutes. Okay, yeah.
To deal with. I got your back on this. So anytime, any place where you dey.
As you can see, I am done turning the rice, so I added the kirikirias, yeah, my tiny fish. Yeah, I added it now because it is a little bit hard. So after that, I stir it around. Now add in the coconut milk, but this is totally optional. Yeah, so I added in some water to the level of the rice in the pot, but make sure not to overwater your jollof. Okay, so I topped it up with some seasoning cube. Feel free to adjust for seasonings. It is now perfect. Yeah, so I added the grilled mackerel fish. Once done, cover the pot and let it cook until the water dries up or until it's softened to your desired choice. Okay. After some minutes now, we are checking on the pot. Wow, can you see the type of aroma I'm perceiving here in this kitchen? It's so fantabulous. So, guys, give it a gently and lovely stir and turn off the cooker, and the jollof rice is ready. Yeah, it is ready. So tantalizing. Do you know you can enjoy your delicious jollof rice without tomatoes? Once you have your red bell pepper, you are good to go. I guarantee you 100% on this recipe. Guys, it is time to serve. Honestly, this jollof rice tasted so super delicious and yummylicious. Hope you try out this recipe and let me know what you think in the comments section. I will be dropping the full list of ingredients in the description box below. So grab yours and enjoy this recipe. Thank you for watching and remember, blessed. Bye.